This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Apple Music or visiting Music. Apple.com, make sure you're signed in so any regional redirects are consistent. Next, type the artist's exact name into the search field and press enter. This reduces results with similar names. Once you see matching entries, filter to the Artists tab to isolate the artist page. If multiple artists share a name, compare album artwork or biography snippets to confirm the correct profile before moving on to grab the URL. Once you've isolated the artist, click their name to open the artist profile. This is the canonical page you'll share. Make sure the page shows recognizable artwork, a bio, and top songs so you've nailed the right artist. If you're in a browser, the address bar now contains the artist URL. If in the app, use the Share button and choose Copy Link to get the same URL. Now you have the link. Make sure it resolves to the artist page when pasted. After copying the link, paste it into a new tab to confirm it goes to the artist page and not a track or album. If you use the app's Share right arrow copy link, that's usually stable across devices. If you use the browser, ensure the URL contains the artist slug or Apple Music ID. If the link redirects incorrectly, change your region settings or search by the artist's Apple Music ID to find the permanent URL. Troubleshooting tip: clear cache or test in a private window to avoid cached redirects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.